In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play the Guiro. Before we get started, I just want you to know that there is no wrong or right way to play these instruments. The first one we're going to look at is the small Matsu Guiro. It is a shaker, but we're going to be looking at its Guiro characteristics. So it has these ridges, which is how it produces the sound, and we have a wooden stick beater. When I was in Thailand, they told me that you're meant to use the thick end of the beater. So with the thin end, it sounds like this. And we can tap. So we can go up, down, tap, tap, up, down, tap, tap. You can play around with different rhythms, different orders. We can try with the thick end, up, up. Up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, 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 down, up. So just play around with different order. We're going to look at the crocodile Guiro. It's a hollow instrument, so inside the sound kind of echoes in the small chamber. You can experiment playing slow or fast, fast and hard, fast and soft. That's the crocodile Guiro. Moving on, we have the frog Guiro. Typically, you would hit the instrument on the nose or on the end, because that would create the most amplification of the sound because of the hollowness. I mean, you could hit it at the side. Pretty much everyone can pick up one of these instruments and be able to play it straight away, however they like it. The frog is an interesting one because it actually produces a type of croaking sound. Another thing that you can play around with is the length. So you could go a full length, or you can go a little bit. And then playing around with rhythm, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and so you could use that in sound design if you're working on a film production, or if you just want to play around and do a bit of a mindfulness session. Finally, we're going to be looking at our largest Guiro. This is the traditional fish Guiro. It's very popular in sort of Mexican music, Latin music, salsa, that type of thing. It has these two holes for amplification, so that when you strike it, produces a different sound. You've got this straight kind of sound, and then obviously that's up, but you can go down, and then you can experiment with the curves of the ridges. And then once you're comfortable with it and you've created different few sounds, you can start experimenting, putting them together. Also implementing a tap if you want to. With this one as well, we can create this kind of Guiro sound, and we can twist it to adjust the sound. Because of the holes, we will get a different sound as we go around the instrument. So let's try this now, starting from here. Anyway, that is how to play the Guiros. If you want to check out any of these instruments, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't miss the next video.